Hey guys, welcome to Coders Project. This is Abhay, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how do you create the Fibonacci series using Python. So before I get started, I'm just going to give a quick brief on what a Fibonacci series is. So a Fibonacci series is a mathematical series in which the term of the series is going to be the sum of two preceding terms. So let's take the seed values as 0 and 1. So the next term is going to be the value of the two preceding terms, sum of two preceding terms. So it's going to be 0 plus 1 and 1, and it's 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, and so on till n. So let's get started. We are going to be defining a let's define a variable x. We'll specify the variable type to be as data type to be integer, and let's take the input from the user. I'll just add a text over here to enter the number of terms. And now let's define a function. So I'm going to be defining a function named as fib for Fibonacci series, and let's take the value of x. Now we're going to be taking the seed values as 0 and 1. So we have assigned the seed values as 0 and 1. Now let's print them out. So now we have assigned the values for the first and second term to be 0 and 1. So for the third and the fourth and so on values, we have to take a third variable. I'll just take it as c. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to store the values of the two preceding terms into the third variable c. So for that, let's take the for loop, and we'll take the counter to be I. For I in range, we're going to start from the third term, right? So we're going to be taking it as 2 and the variable x till wherever the user has specified. And now we are going to be storing the values of two preceding terms into the third variable as c. C is going to be a plus b. And now we have to equalize and store the value of a into b, and then we are going to be storing the value of b in c. So we are all set. Let me just print the value of c. Now let's call our function. So we're going to be calling Fibonacci of fib of x. Let's run this. So as you can see, it says enter the number of terms, so I'll take it as 10. So this is a Fibonacci series where the sum of two terms is going to be the next term, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, and so on. So let's try with the bigger number. I'm going to take it as 30. So we get the values. So this is how you get the Fibonacci series using Python. So if you have any questions, just leave a video. Do subscribe to my channel, give a like, and see you in the next video.